Let us have a look at demonstration of this module. I have already loaded our module on administration tab, and you can see that it creates 3 links for us: export CDA document, manage CDA sections, manage CDA type. Export CDA document link allow us to produce CDA document and output it to the user. It is major functionality of our project. Manage CDA section link list out the sections present in our module and allows us to view the attribute of the sections like section name, section description, template ID, etc. Manage CDA type link list out the CDA document types present in the module and allow us to view the attributes of CDA document type like document short name, document full name, template ID, etc. So let's start with the first link, export CDA document. We need to fill this form in order to generate a CDA document. I have worked on basic form validation, so let's give null values and see if validator reports them. So I will say export document. We can see a error message, please select a patient. So let's choose a patient. Now I will again say export document. We get another error message saying please select a CDA document type. So let us select a CDA document type. I would select APHP, and now I will say export document. So this was the form validation. We can save this generated CDA document, but I would like to open it through an editor to show what it contains. As we know that CDA document consists of header part and body part. CDA header consists of information like what type of CDA document it is. In our case it's APHP. CDA header also contains patient information like patient address, patient name, family name, patient gender, patient's birth date, patient's marital status, ethnic group or race. CDA header also includes spouse data element which holds patient's spouse information. This is spouse data element. Now let us see the body part of CDA message. CDA header ends here and CDA body starts from here. CDA body consists of sections, and sections consist of narrative blocks and entries. Before midterm, we just generated bare minimum CDA message without any answers. That is, we generated a skeleton of CDA message without any data. But now we have populated answers of all the sections in APHP CDA message with help of concept dictionary. This is the history of present illness section, and this is the answer we are talking about. Similarly, this is the chief complaint section and this is the answer. And this is social history section and these are the answers for this section. So we can see that we have generated or populated answers for all the sections. These are the answers for review of system section. Now a question will be how we came to know which concepts must be used in which section. So we have followed IHU technical framework value sets which specifically list out the concepts for specific sections, and this generated CDA message is fully valid. All these answers comes from observation, and if user don't have observations for the concept, then how? For this scenario, we generate a message in CDA document to add observation for specific concepts. So let us see how CDA document with null observation will look like. Specify some patient and CDA document will be in APHP. Let's export. Let us open this document. So here If you don't get any observation, a message like this, no observation. Again no observation here, then no observation with concept ID was found, no observation with specific concept ID was found. So we generate CDA document along with this message. Having done this, now I would like to show how errors in CDA document will be reported to the user. I have intentionally added an error message, built up a module and uploaded that OMOD. So let's see what gets reported. Let's select a patient. CDA document type is again APHP. Let's say export document. So this is our error page. MDHT API validator code provides these messages. I know it's hard to interpret them, but I will say what error is. There is a required element called code in the CDA document which is missing in following 4 entries of a CDA document. So how to locate those entries? The error comes from third component of CDA body part. How I can say that is, here we have component, then structured body, which means the error is from CDA body, and component point 2 indicates it's the third component, component dot 0 dot 1 dot 2, that is third component, which is social history section. In that we have 4 entries, and in all 4 entries we don't have a attribute called as code, which I have commented out. So this is the error. So if CDA document contains error, then they are reported here. I have loaded correct OMOD now. So this was my work on export CDA document link. Now let's quickly see manage CDA section link. It lists out the existing sections in our module, and we can click on any section for further detail. So this is a detailed page where we can get more details on a section like section description, display name, template IDs, code and code system names, etc. One can enhance this work by adding breadcrumb menu with edit, delete, save options here. Now let's go to final link, manage CDA type link. It lists out the existing CDA document type in a module. So let's click on one document type, and it takes us to a detailed page where we get more details like document name, document full name, short name, template ID, parent template ID, etc. Again one can add a breadcrumb menu here with delete, edit, save options. So with this our demo comes to an end.